Daily English question and answer sentences for beginners. You are watching quick English tutorials. Let's begin. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I had toast and eggs for breakfast.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.
Where do you work or study?
I work at a store, and I study at the university.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm today.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to watch movies and play video games.
Have you ever traveled to another country?
No, I haven't traveled to another country yet.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer because I love the warm weather.
How do you usually get to work or school?
I usually take the bus to work or school.
What type of music do you like?
I like pop music, and sometimes I listen to rock.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza is my favorite food.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be a photographer.
How do you stay healthy?
I exercise regularly and eat lots of fruits and vegetables.
What did you do last weekend?
I went to the park and had a picnic with friends.
Can you speak another language?
Yes, I can speak a bit of Spanish.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Do you like playing sports?
Yes, I enjoy playing soccer and basketball.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas is my favorite holiday.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one brother and two sisters.
What's your go-to snack?
I like to snack on crunchy chips.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee in the morning and tea in the evening.
What's the last movie you watched?
I watched a comedy movie called The Hangover.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm more of a night owl.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I really enjoy science.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I've been to a few concerts. They were a lot of fun.
Is there something you want to learn in the future?
I want to learn how to play the guitar.
Do you prefer reading books or watching movies?
I enjoy both, but I think I prefer watching movies.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
I love chocolate ice cream as my favorite dessert.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking simple meals like pasta and stir-fry.
What's the best place you've ever visited?
The beach in Hawaii is the best place I've ever visited.
Do you have a favorite board game?
Monopoly is my favorite board game.
What do you do when you're feeling stressed?
I like to take a walk or listen to calming music.
Are you a cat person or a dog person?
I'm definitely a dog person.
What's your favorite kind of exercise?
I enjoy jogging because it helps me stay active.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I love taking photos to capture special moments.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny days with a bit of cool breeze.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
My favorite childhood memory is going on family camping trips.
Are you a morning shower person or an evening shower person?
I prefer taking showers in the morning.
What's your favorite type of fruit?
I really enjoy eating strawberries.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy painting as a hobby.
What's your favorite way to relax?
I like to relax by listening to music or watching a movie.
Do you have a favorite museum or art gallery?
The Louvre Museum in Paris is my favorite.
What's the most interesting place you've ever been to?
The Grand Canyon was the most interesting place I've visited.
Do you prefer to text or call?
I prefer texting most of the time.
What's your favorite type of shoes?
I like comfortable sneakers.
Thank you for watching and keep learning.